Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss what is 18-wheeler accident liar near me. So we started our video. Our law firm is dedicated to helping victims of all types of truck accidents, including 18-wheeler commercial vehicles. We have spent years fighting against trucking companies and winning causes for victims of truck accidents just like you. We have the express experience and resources to take on these companies, and we want to put that work in to help you. There is no charge for the consultation, and we do not get paid unless we win your case. Why do I need to hire a lawyer for my 18-wheeler crash cases? If you are someone you love suffered a collision involving an 18-wheeler truck, you may know that you did nothing wrong and believe that the injuries and the cost that the accident caused are obvious. You might wonder why you would need a lawyer to represent you. An 18-wheeler crash is not the same as a car accident. 18-wheeler accident can result in severe injuries that would take months or years to recover from, while a car accident only involves you and the other driver. Trucking accidents can have multiple parties involved. 18-wheeler truck collision cases are complicated. Because 18-wheelers, car collisions and medical injuries are complicated by the nature truck accident, litigation is too. This causes implicates complex concepts in the areas of physics, chemistry, federal trucking regulation, biology, medicine, driving standards, and economics. When a claim based on an 18-wheeler collision goes to trial, accident victims will have to prove their case to a jury by explaining what happened using these complicated scientific and industry specific ideas and principles. Getting the award you are entitled to require a lot of resources. Trucking and insurance companies have lots of money and manpower at their disposal, which they use to pressure accident victims into walking away or accepting settlements for less than they deserve. In order to fight for the award you are entitled to as a victim of an 18-wheel accident, you will need to match the trucking and insurance companies' vast resources. Our attorney can work with experts to testify at a trial and make use of the most cutting-edge technologies in order to prove your case to a jury. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for more informative and interesting videos. Soon we will meet